Hey, are you stuck inside on a sunny day?
You can use essential oils to help you enjoy the summer weather while you're stuck in your office. In this video, we're going to teach you how to make a roll-on called Nature's Calm that uses essential oils that smell wonderfully like the outdoors that will also help make you feel calm.
So let's grab our June recipe box.
Our June recipe box is going to have everything we need to make this recipe. We're going to grab our recipe card and stickers. We'll use 3 drops of timber, 1 drop of citronella, 1 drop of hoe wood, and 1 drop of orange essential oil.
And from your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab 1 of your 10 milliliter roll-ons, your fractionated coconut oil, and from your kitchen, a funnel.
Let's get started.
First thing you're gonna wanna do is take your cap off and then get your roller ball out.
So we'll add 3 drops of timber, and then 1 drop each of our other oils. Orange, hoe wood, and citronella.
And to make sure it's safe for your skin, we're gonna wanna dilute it in a carrier oil.
We're using fractionated coconut oil. You can use any other carrier oil you'd like for this recipe.
Put your roller ball back on top. Give it a little swirl. And don't forget your label.
To use it, apply it to your pulse points and take a deep breath and enjoy that wonderful calming aroma made from nature. I'm gonna keep this on my desk.
Sounds good.
To gain more confidence and clarity in using essential oils, check out the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe now button. You'll find out how to make fun recipes just like this and so many more.
All using essential oils. Thanks for watching.
See you later.